Hey guys, this is Dakota Bailey over here at Glenbrook Dodge. Wanted to show you guys Apple CarPlay on the new Wrangler. So to get to that, you're going to click over here where it says Apple CarPlay. You do have to have it plugged in with your iPhone. Somebody was kind enough to let me borrow them. But the cool thing about Apple CarPlay is you're going to have all your maps and everything right on the screen. That's better than having navigation, just because this will actually update itself. And then it's also real time, so if there's accidents, traffic reports, stuff like that, and you can do everything in real time. It'll also let you read off your text messages out loud to you, and you can reply back by voice. So yeah, if you guys need more information, feel free to contact me, or always go to glenbrookdodge.com to check out these vehicles and the super great discounts.